Hi everyone, welcome back. So last time we learned how to develop a bot and test it with a message box. In this lesson, we'll learn how to publish and deploy your bot and test it on your tenant. But before that, I want to show you another way of testing your bot. So we can use something called log message, as you can see on the left hand side. So if you drag a log message, it's actually very similar to what we did for the message box, but will show in the output box instead of showing as like a message pop-up light box that we saw earlier. So we put something very similar like in the message like this, and if we run our bot, so go to BBC, get the weather information for London for today, and if we go back to RPA Studio, yeah, we can see that a log message has been shown on the output box here. City, London, mean, max, description. Cool. So now it's all good. We can publish our script. So if we click on publish here and give it a name, probably for bot Lucas, description by the app, and enable allow scheduling and set as production, and we publish. Right, so if you go to your tenant, so you'll see the script is now on your tenant. Alright, so to test your script on the tenant, if you go to projects and you create a new project, maybe call it a name where the app first bot Lucas, give it a description, and if you go into it and you create a bot, let's go to weather app just now, next, and select the weather app first bot Lucas script that we just deploy, and create a computer group. So if you want to learn more about how to configure a computer group, check out all the other tutorial on IBM RPA community. I'm not going into too much detail here. So if you go to next, basically create, and after that, like click the three dots here and select run, and yeah, and it asks you for input parameters like what we did, and if you put London, and the job will run in the background, and we should expect the weather information being shown as a log message. So if we go to view jobs, give it a little gentle refresh, search, and we see, let's see, okay, we need to select our script. Alright, and if we click on details and search again, we see London, min, max, and description. Nice, so this is how we create, bot, deploy, and test it on a tenant. And if you want to have a look at the script that I developed on this tutorial, you can go to IBM RPA community and go to library, and if you scroll down and expand bot library, go to my first bot, and you will see the weather app and the source code here. Alright, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.